Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply delete your review on Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be on your Steam account, go to the right top corner, to your name, and click View My Profile. Now you're gonna see right here, and you're gonna see reviews. And now I have the review here. You need to click on the like button or recommended text. And now all you have to do is just delete. So let's say I'm going to delete this one here. Delete review. And that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. And yeah, goodbye.